Fiverr for Beginners 2024 How to Use Fiverr for Freelancing. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about Fiverr and how you can use it for beginners in the easiest and most simplest way possible, okay? So to get the whole idea and concept of this video, please do make sure to fully watch it till the end to get a nice concept of it all. Now, the best part of using all these things is, Fiverr is a great way to make money on the side. It's a great way to start your gigs up and to, get the best idea and the best concept of working with different, clients, different gigs. It also increases your work ethic. It also gives you an idea of what the outside world looks like when it comes to working with it. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty great stuff, and pretty good stuff to get your idea and get your head around all of this. Now, moving on, once we have the whole general outlook, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to fiverr.com. Now, I'm going to go ahead and log out with my current account so I can show you how you can create a proper new account to start signing up with. So, obviously, you're going to come to fiverr.com over here. Now, once you come to fiverr.com, from here, what you're going to want to do is it's going to say find the right freelance service right away for yourself, right? That is exactly what we're going to go with. That is exactly what we want. So it says search for any service. I'm going to go on searching service. You can search for any service that you want, or you can, serve or show the services that you can offer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on join. And I'm going to go ahead and click on become a seller because that is how we're going to be starting our freelancing journey. So once you do that, it brings you here and it asks you to create a new account. So obviously I'm going to click on continue with email and I'm going to create a new account for myself on Fiverr. So here you're also going to enter your email and all. And once we do that, we're going to click on continue. Now here it asks us a username. So obviously add a username that is unique to you, not something that you will forget later on, okay? So once you do this, you're going to go click on send code. And what they will do is it will send a code to the email that you signed up with. And once obviously you get an email that I just got my email on my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and activate the account with the code that I've gotten. So the code I got is 287052. So 287052. There we go. Once you do that, here it says Kirk Hatfield, your account is, done and you can start becoming a seller, right? So we're signed in and everything. And now I'm going to click on become a seller. It brings me here. So ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here's the breakdown. Learn what makes a successful profile. Discover the do's and don'ts to ensure you're always on the right track. Create your seller profile and add your profile picture, description, and professional information. And then finally, publish your gig, where you can create a gig of the service that you're offering and start selling absolutely instantly. Okay. So obviously, once we've gotten the idea of that, we're going to click on continue. And once you click on continue from here, you can see what makes a successful Fiverr profile. Your first impression matters a lot. So take your time in creating your profile. Okay. You're going to add credibility by linking things out and a whole lot more. So, I'm going to go ahead and add my first name. And then, it's going to give the display name. Then you have your profile picture. Right now, I'm just going to add some random picture. But obviously, when you're making this, make sure to add a proper profile picture of yourself. Then it says add a description about yourself. Obviously, I'm just going to go ahead and write random gibberish right now. But when you're writing a description for your Fiverr, make sure it's precise and it tells all about you, what your profile actually insinuates. Then you have languages. Obviously, choose whatever language you're fluent in. Choose whatever language, you're good in when it comes to speaking. So obviously, I'm going to go with English. Okay. Once we do that, you can add more languages for yourself if you want to. Click on continue. Then it says, what is your occupation? Now, this is where you're going to choose your occupation. So in this case, I'm going to go with let's say I'm going to go with music and audio, right? And in music and audio, I'm going to go with audio editing. And then I'm going to go with, let's say, voiceover. You can obviously choose up to either 2 or 5. So 2 is the minimum, 5 is the maximum. Once you do that, you can obviously go into music, producer, composer, etc., etc. So once you go with that, you're gonna go into skills. Okay, you're gonna tell them your skills. So let's say I'm gonna write voice, young voice. You can add a voiceover, like just add as many skills as you want to. Okay, so like you need to make your profile look as much as appealing as possible. Then you have your education or certification. It doesn't really matter what college name you put. Just go ahead, add the certain things, and you're gonna add your degree and everything. Now once you do that, add the year you qualified in. You have your certificate and award. Show them who it is certified from. Click on add, and you can have own professional website. And right now, as you can see, I'm just scouring through this. I'm not really adding the exact new things for myself. So yeah, once we've done all of this, I'm going to change my years. And now from here, we're going to click on continue. Now it says, your account is 80% done. You can verify your email and phone number to finish it. But on 80%, you can finish your account. And that's pretty much it. Your seller profile is all set. Now to start your freelancing, you're going to set up gigs. So let's say I'm going to create a gig of I will do voice over of any type. Then select a category. Obviously, it comes in music and audio. I'm gonna go in voiceovers. You're gonna obviously choose the language you're gonna speak in. Obviously, in this case, I am gonna use English. So you can also choose the accents that you can speak in. And once you do that, from there, what you're gonna be doing is you can go in your gender, choose your gender, whatever type you want. Then you have your purpose, and just go with the top three purposes. Then you have your age range. I'm gonna go with middle aged. Then you have your tone. Obviously, any type of tone you want, you could go with that. So it's pretty simple to do all these things. Add in keywords for yourself, and I'm just gonna add a random keyword and click on save and continue. And once you're done with all of this, basically from here on out, it's pretty much about it. So you're going to add pricings, descriptions, requirements, set up your gig. And once your gig is fully set it up, you're pretty much good to go. You're pretty much set to go. And that is how you are going to be going ahead and creating a Fiverr profile and, starting freelancing. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.